let's do some mom favorites. How do we make luxury work for us more efficiently and effectively as a mom? Is something that helps us kind of through the day. So here are some of my mom favorites that really help me navigate mommyhood in some efficient ways. Let's get started. Let's start off with one of the items that I absolutely love that makes my life so much better, and I don't feel like I need to get fully ready because of this item. That is luxury sunglasses. So these are my most recent ones from Chanel, and in the mornings, rain or shine, this is what I put on every morning. I run out of the house. I don't feel like I'm a mess. I just feel like, you know what, we're gonna hide that mess. We're going to pretend it's not there, and we're just gonna put these on and we're gonna run out the door. And it doesn't matter what I'm wearing, something fabulous like a good pair of sunglasses, especially if you are in the luxury space. Sometimes we buy things that we just love, but they're not necessarily the most wearable, right? Like heels and stuff like that. When you're mommying around, that stuff does not make sense. So the thing that does make sense is something that is going to make you feel fabulous, something that you can just throw on and you can focus on your kids, because at the end of the day, when we have young children, that is our main focus. So I can put this on and know that I look fabulous and not worry about it whatsoever. And then I have the rest of the things to do with my kids, getting their snacks or whatever it is that I'm doing that day. So a pair of luxury sunglasses is one of the main items for me. These are my most favorite ones at the moment. But yeah, they have been life-changing. The bigger the better, in my opinion, because sometimes this is a mess in the morning and I don't want to worry about it at that moment, right? So a pair of luxury sunglasses will always help you out as a mom. Highly recommend that you invest in one or two amazing pair of sunglasses. Leading up to number two, this item over here, I do have one. It is sitting over there, but I don't want to move it. It is this sunglass drawer. This literally changed my life. I have several sunglasses that I rotate, but one of the issues that I had with my sunglasses was they were getting dusty. And so the ones that I would wear every day, whichever ones I was wearing every day, those wouldn't get dusty. It was just the ones that were sitting around, constant dust. When I wanted to wear those, it was a whole thing, right? I'm trying to run out the door, but I have dusty sunglasses. So this changed the game for me. I have somewhere to put them. They go in there. I like how they look in there, and I don't have to worry about the dust. I do dust, but I just dust the outside of that thing. It's one dust and done, and I don't have to worry about individual sunglasses getting dusty. Huge game changer for me. Absolutely love these. Absolutely recommend these for those of us who are busy moms who don't have time to deal with dust constantly. Next on my list, mules. Anything that can just shove my foot in. I literally do not have to think about it. These always work, I don't care if these are trending. I don't care about any of that. These are amazing shoes. They've been like such an ace over this winter. I absolutely still love these. I have been wearing these a lot over 2022 and 2023 because of the weather here. And these literally game changers. These are not as expensive, and you can find them like cheaper in different places, whatever, because a lot of people are trying to get rid of them. It's just ridiculous. These are amazing. They're like permanently amazing. Any shoe that gets you out the door quickly is, for me, the most important thing. Everything that I have to do has to run really, really smoothly, really, really quickly, and I just have to have go-to items. So go-to shoes are definitely one of them. These have been amazing. They give me height, and they always work because of the color. I know the white ones do the same thing. These have been great. This is how they're wearing. Amazing, amazing shoes. I want to get more of this kind of style shoe because I realize that is what I wear. That helps me be a better mom because I'm not worried about what to wear, or I'm not unhappy with what I'm wearing when I leave the house. I always love what I'm wearing. So these definitely some of my personal mom favorites. Sticking to shoes, these are my Golden Goose shoes. I bought them 2 years ago, maybe longer. They were in my worst purchase the year I bought them, but man, oh man, have I come, full circle on these. I absolutely am crazy about these. I went ahead and changed the laces on them. The laces are the game changers for me. I am not a big sneaker lover because I don't have time to be tying my shoes. I know that, and this might be very specific to me. When you have kids, even if you're the most organized person in the world, kids are on their own schedule. So I just need things that will make my life easier. And these laces have been the thing for me. Also, like sparkly shoes. We need them, yes. I absolutely am crazy about these. These also make me feel fabulous when I'm out, and maybe I'm not sparkling that day, but my shoes are. And so I would say a pair of sparkly shoes and some amazing laces will get you out the door quickly, because once your kids start going to school, it is just another level of chaos that I hope to prepare you for. And if you have stuff like this, it becomes less chaotic. And at the end of the day, that is the main focus. Even if it isn't chaotic, but if everything is just like really smoothly, it's just nice. It changes everything. So definitely these laces, game changers for me. Now we are moving on to fine jewelry. I absolutely love fine jewelry. Every single day I have my fine jewelry on. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to think about it. It is just on. And so it is another thing that I don't have to worry about every day. I just always feel put together because I have these pieces that are waterproof, that I'm not constantly concerned with. I am just ready for the most part. Fine jewelry is a game changer. Even if you have like a little piece of fine jewelry, like the sweet Alhambra or the Tiffany, it's just like one little thing that, even when you're driving your kids to school and they're giving you lip, you can just focus on something completely beautiful and, not let that affect you so much. And it just makes your day lovely, even if you're washing a dish, like wiping a counter, passing the vacuum, whatever it is that you're doing, changing a diaper, you get to look down and you see something beautiful. My Gucci ring is a really good value. I highly recommend it. It is something that is very, very comfortable. I absolutely love this ring. I have the Tiffany one. And so even if you just have one singular piece of fantastic jewelry that you don't have to put on and take off, that just makes the day a little brighter. It makes all the other nonsense that happens during the day a little sweeter or a lot less bitter, depending on the kind of day that you're having. Fine jewelry, get you some. While I love handbags, handbags are not like at the steering wheel, when I'm driving and or when I'm cleaning and all of those things. Fine jewelry is genuinely something that I highly, highly recommend for everyday moms who stay at home and love luxury. Get you some, get you one, you deserve it. It will make life sweeter. It already is sweet. It's a cherry topper that you deserve. Next on my list is carrying makeup in the car. I know I talked about it in one of my videos where I purchased the LV Nano. I'll post a picture of mine in the car. I do my makeup in the car. It is so much easier. It is something that gets me out of the door at a red light. I just have things that work really quickly and make me feel like not a zombie. So I just take off my glasses and I quickly do 1, 2, 3, and I can go to the grocery store, or when I'm done dropping off my daughter at school and I'm sitting at the Target parking lot, I can do my makeup there. I just, depending on where I'm going, it's something that I really love having in the car. It makes life easier. And I know that sometimes we look in the mirror when we get to the car with no makeup on and we feel like not our best selves. And so that has been a game changer for me, putting makeup in the car, leaving some key products in there that will make my life super duper easy. I will do a list of products. Some of the products that I wanted to quickly highlight are It Cosmetics Celebration Illumination. It's a powder, and this is my spring summer that I use. It is super, super easy. The other thing is the Maybelline Neutralizer. I'll put it over here. I put that underneath. I put it up here on my line. If you have normal to oily skin, it will work really, really beautifully on your skin. I absolutely love it. It does cover up a multitude of sins without making you look cakey. I don't like a lot of makeup because I am, you know, in my 40s, and it's really easy for things to start to cake. And so I like to keep it very, very simple. Maybelline, the neutralizer, and my It Cosmetics, or I do my Maybelline, and for fall, winter, I use By Terry, something else that I absolutely love. I do the same thing, but then I just put my By Terry on a brush, and then I put it on the exterior part, and it's already like I have contoured on top of it. So absolutely game-changing products that I highly, highly recommend are in your makeup bag in the car. They are amazing. Something that is less expensive, that kind of works like the By Terry, you just have to use less, is this Honest Beauty product over here. Obviously it really depends on the tone of your skin, but if you know how to blend, you're golden. It is a really amazing product that also makes it look like you contour. We're just putting it on the exterior parts and we're highlighting in the other parts, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. It is super, super easy. Highly recommend. Go-to products. I know that everybody's always experimenting with makeup, but find your holy grail makeup products and stick to them, especially in the car, because you know that they'll work. You don't have to think about what color eyeshadow am I going to wear. You know what I mean? Just very neutral, basic colors that will just make you feel better. The last item. This is an item that I've been wearing for years. I have multiples and I highly recommend. This is Assets by Spanx. This is what I wear. This is what I wear all of the time. I wear that underneath my pants, dresses, skirts, shorts. This is what I wear. I bought it 2 sizes smaller because I want the smoothing and I want a little bit of shaping. So I recommend buying it 2 sizes smaller, but definitely try it on at a local Target. They are amazing. And this is all I wear. I cut the top parts of it and I lift it higher for it to cover my underarm, and then I sew it, and then it picks up my girls because I'm busty. I don't always do that, but I do like to have a couple of them that I do that with. And honestly, I just throw on pants on top of it. I can throw on a skirt, sweats, and it just works like I'm wearing a shirt. And I feel like I'm smoothed, and it's easy to get out the door in this item. I wear this every single day and I highly recommend. I wish that Assets by Spanx at Target would make this in multiple colors, like those skin tone colors. It would be amazing. I absolutely love this product. It is amazing, a game changer for me. I don't even need blouses, especially during summer when it's so hot. This is all I wear because I can't stand layers. I get so hot. I have been menopausing since I'm 14. I'm perpetually hot. So layering is not something that I enjoy doing at all. But anyways, I highly recommend this. This was such a game changer for me. I absolutely love it. They do have it in white and they have it in black. And so you can wear it as a shirt. I do. Some of you might think it's crazy, but some of you might actually find it to be incredibly useful. Let me know if you try this. So that is it for today's mom luxury staples, you guys, or favorites. I hope to maybe make another version of this because I know that there are certain products that I have forgotten, and I want to give you guys my personal best items that I have found that work for me and make momming around super, super easy. So I really do hope that you found this helpful. I appreciate your time and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.